Welcome to IS301. I am Professor Fahmi Jalani. Today we'll be covering the topic on future trends. As we all know, today technology continues to evolve and disrupt businesses. Essentially, we are part of technology, and we are always connected to technology with our mobile phone, or watches, iPad, desktop, TV, Alexa. Right? Here are some top strategy technology that are expected to disrupt, create more opportunities, for example, jobs, businesses over the next 5 to 10 years. So number one, here we have hyper automation. Automation helps human automate certain tasks that can save time and result in efficient, productive outcomes. We see that most of it in automation, and today we have things like drone, we could deliver products from Amazon, for example, or eBay, being tested out. Hyperautomation deals with the use of advanced technology like machine learning, artificial intelligence to increasingly automate the process, and involves a combination of tools including robotic process automation, or RPA, or IBPMS, intelligent business management software, and AI, artificial intelligence, with a goal of increasingly AI-driven decision making. However, hyper-automation mostly leads to the creation of digital twin in an organization, technically a replication of the job, which can turn into integral part of hyper-automation. Number two, we see multi-experience. According to Gartner, multi-experience is about design and developing seamless and effortless experiences across app, digital, touchpoint, interaction, modularities. So currently, multiple experiences focuses on immersive experiences that use augmented reality, AR, or VR, virtual reality, mixed reality, multi-channel, human machine interface, sensing technology, but in the future it is expected to become ambient experience. We see that in, for example, in games, we have AR or VR games. In apps, for example, you could repaint your own house without even touching the paint, or even buying the paint yet, or buying a furniture through your mobile app. Next, we have democratization of technology, which provide the user with easy access of technical or business expertise without extensive training, often referred to as citizen access. It focuses on 4 key areas, viz, for example, videos, application, development, data analytics, and design knowledge. The trend has led to a rise in citizen data scientists, citizen programmers, and more. Today we see a lot of software available, open source, for example, Red Hat, Linux, for example, which are open source, where we have community of programmers who are out there to spread the technology. Human augmentation, Gartner described human augmentation as the use of technology to enhance personal cognitive and physical experience, while some augmentation refers to the technology such as wearable, for example, Google Wear glasses. Today we have smart watches to check our heartbeat, how many steps we take, and that can change the inherent capability of human body, cognitive Augmentation refers to technology that can enhance the human ability to think and make better decisions. Next, we have transparency and traceability. Evolving has led to the generation of huge amount of data, which include information of users as well. Okay, technology advancement have led to trust crisis, paving way for rules and regulation legislation like GDPR, to implement ensuring the user are control of data and they share. For example, today if you use the Google Map for a particular destination, they are able to locate and send you, and in event you refer to the map in another few more days, a few more weeks, they are able to tell you that you visited this place on maybe last week or a few days ago, right? And in some countries they use the Trace app with the pandemic, where users or consumers are required to scan their entrance, so they would know, they would be able to trace where did for example a positive carrier could be located and where they visited, and those who visited could be tested too. According to Gartner, this trend requires focus on 6 elements of trust: ethics, integrity, openness, accountability, and competence and consistency. Number 6, we have empowered edge computing. According to IBM, edge computing brings enterprise application closer to where the data is produced, either by Internet of Things, IoT devices, or local edge server, and action need to be taken. Brian Brook, Research Vice President of Gartner, says edge computing would become a dominant factor across virtual all industry and use cases as edge is empowered with increasingly more sophisticated and specialized computing resources and more data storage. Complex edge devices including robots, drone, autonomous vehicle, operational system will accelerate this shift. Next, we have distributed cloud. Essentially, the central public cloud is on the way to evolution to a distributed public cloud, marking the beginning of a new era in cloud computing. Today, we are quite familiar with cloud, where most of the software database are in the cloud, and you could be accessed from anywhere or any parts of the world. According to Gartner, a distributed cloud is the distribution of public cloud services to different locations, while the originating public cloud provider assumes responsibility for the operational governance, updates to and evolution the services. Let's take a look at autonomous things. Autonomous refer to the physical devices like drones, robots, ships, application which use AI, artificial intelligence, to automate function or tasks usually performed by humans. Autonomous things are predicted to be increasingly deployed in uncontrolled public spaces, which with the evolving technology resulting in growing social acceptance and increasing in regulation permits. So here we have things like drone, for example, that was covered earlier, ships which are on auto drive, when airplanes are already doing it right now, and soon there will be autonomous cars too. Number 9 is blockchain. Practically, we expect a more practical use of blockchain in terms of come to areas like reshaping industry, asset tracking, and identity management. Okay. Blockchain has gone worldwide And even though there's no regulatory, apparently there's acceptance among community. Gartner predicts that in the future, true blockchains and blockchain complete will have the potential to transform industry and eventually the economy as complementary technologies such as AI and IoT begins to integrate alongside blockchain. Lastly, we have AI security. This is essentially a security and risk leader focus on the key areas such as protecting AI power system. This is to prevent blackout affecting the server and database, leveraging AI to enhance security, self-checking software or application in terms of intrusion, for example, and anticipating nefarious use of AI by attackers. Okay, these are prediction of intrusion towards the system. So that's pretty much it for the class today. If you have any question or doubts, please email me or get an appointment to visit me in the office. Stay safe and thank you very much. Bye bye.